Lately, I have been thinking, is my lifestyle really healthy? Eating nutritious food and doing exercise, does it mean that our lifestyle is healthy? If your answer is yes, then my next question is your lifestyle sustainable? How many days of the week you are able to do exercise, eat nutritious food, and along with that, balance your work life and your personal life? So to know the answer to these questions, today we are going to perform two tests. One is body scanning technique and the second is analyzing 6 core pillars of our life. So welcome to the Rewrite and Relive. I am your host Dr. Priyanka, and today we are going to do exciting work. So let's begin. So to start this test, we will need pen and book or something to jot down. So our first technique is body scanning technique. In this test, we are going to scan each of our body part thoroughly. So we will start with our hair and we will end on the toe. Do you have any hair fall issues? Is your skin healthy? Do you have any vision error? Is your gums and teeth are healthy? After that, do you have any breathing problems? Are you suffering from recurrent cold and coryza? Do you have any breathing issues? After that, when we come down, do you have any digestion problems? Are you able to digest your food properly? After that, is your liver functioning and the kidney function is regularized? Do you have any spots or any marks on your body? After that, do you have any issues related to your urinary system or your reproductive system? Do you have any problems of joint pain, muscle pain, ligament tear, anything? Any problem, any smallest problem, we have to write down. For example, if somebody have brittle nails, their nails break easily, they can write it down. Somebody has hair fall problem, so they can write it down. If you have any of this problem, remember, each and every problem or any symptom we are suffering from is the reflection of something is deficient or something is going wrong inside our body. While leading to the healthy lifestyle, we all have to be aware about each and every symptom and signs of our body. We can correct and resolve all the problems and all the symptoms by taking care of ourselves. For that, we can take help from some experts, or you can watch our videos anytime. Also, if you have any other issues, you can comment and you can connect with us at any point of time. So after writing down all the points, we have to think that why we are suffering from that particular problem and how we can change it. So for example, if we are suffering from a hair fall problem, then is it happening because of our irregular nutrition, or we can say disturbed sleeping pattern, or we might say is it because of water? So we have to think that why this particular problem is happening, and then we have to find out the solution. If your hair fall is because of your nutritional deficiencies, then you might start taking more protein, more omega-3, omega-6, omega-9. If it is because of, you can take more biotin as well. If is it because of water and some kind of shampoo, then you can change those products and you can shift to more natural products. If you think is it because of your irregular eating habits and irregular sleeping pattern, then you can start sleeping regularly and take minimum 6 to 8 hours of sound sleep. We can control any kind of symptoms and diseases with the help of expert advice and slight changes in our lifestyle. Second technique is analysis of important pillars of our life. In this technique, we have to rate ourselves from the scale of 0 to 10. 0 is poor and 10 is we are doing well. First pillar is relationship. In this, you have to analyze your past month or past week. In this entire month, were you able to spend quality time with your friends and family? Did you help anybody at your office place or at your workplace? How many times in the past month you have regretted for not doing or not spending enough time with your family? How many times you have felt bad or guilty for not helping somebody? So you have to rate yourself from 0 to 10. Second pillar is nutrition. So in the past week, how many times you have had good and nutritious food? Like how many times you have eaten fruits, how many times you had vegetables, nuts, milk and milk products, proteins, and how many times you have eat or binge on junk. So you have to rate yourself. Also in this you have to analyze the amount of water you have consumed. So rate yourself from 0 to 1 on the basis of consumption of water, healthy, nutritious and fresh food, and also thinking about junk food. Third pillar is exercise. In the past month, how many times you have done any kind of exercise? May it be gym, Zumba, running, Pilates, karate, or you can say you have done yoga, but how many times and for how much time? So minimum time is 30 minutes. So in the week, for at least 5 days, have you done any kind of exercise? In this test, be honest. Also think about how many times you have procrastinated your exercise. So rate yourself from 0 to 10, how many times you have did exercise and how many times you have procrastinated. Fourth is spirituality. Now many of you will say that we don't believe in spirituality or religiousness, but it is nothing but self-reflection. Spirituality literally means that awareness about yourself and your surrounding. So in the past month, how many times you have take out the time to analyze your thoughts, how many times you have sit down and actually visualize something, actually meditate on something, how many times you have felt that gratefulness, how many times you have actually said thank you for something, how many times you have felt happy or maybe unhappy, how many times you have felt that there is a need to sit down and think about something. Think about what is bothering you, think about what is making you stressed, what is making you happy, or what is making you loved. So rate yourself from 0 to 10 on the basis of your all the feelings. Fifth is passion. So there will be two groups. First group is the people who already found out about their passion, and the second group who are yet to find out about their passion. So in the first group, they can rate themselves on the basis of how many times in the past entire month or week you have managed to take out some extra time to work on your goals. How many times you have thought about and you have actually written down your goals. How many times you have talk about discussed about your new innovative ideas with your colleagues, with your group and your family. How many times you have tried or how many new skills you have learned to improvise yourself and to pursue your passion. So rate yourself from 0 to 10. For us, we are learning. For the second group, they can rate themselves on the basis of how many times in the past entire month they actually tried to do something extra other than their daily routine or daily work. How many times they have read some new articles, how many times they have watched some informative videos on the basis of their likings. If still they are not sure that what they like and what are they passionate about, then soon we are launching a new course on our website. In that course, we are helping other people to find out their passion, and we are going to guide them that how they can find out their passion, and we will direct them to some innovative internships. We are able to, after taking that course, we will try our level best to give that person internship or connect that particular person with the other organizations to give the hands-on experience and actually think that and actually decide that whether they are passionate about it or not. So these people can mark themselves or rank themselves on the basis of how many efforts they have actually put to find out their passion. After rating yourself for each pillar from 0 to 10, you can add on the score and divide it by 50. After that, multiply by 100 so that you will receive the percentage. After calculating percentage, if your score is below 50, for example, if I have received 47%, it means we have to improve ourselves for rest 53% and try to raise our score at least above 90%.
Hey guys, I hope you have liked our video, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and in the comment section below let us know about the score, about your score, and Do share it with your friends and family.
Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. It is completely free. And until next time, rewrite your mind and relive your life. Thank you.